Good morning students. I hope you all will be happy and fine at your place. Today I am going to discuss with you the topic of chapter Control and Coordination. The topic of discussion for today is the endocrine system. Okay. Now the endocrine system is a system which consists of various glands which produce various hormones in our body. So what we can say that endocrine system is a group of endocrine glands which produce various kinds of hormones, or we can say them as chemical messengers in our body. Is called endocrine system. Okay. Now since endocrine system consists of endocrine glands, so we will discuss endocrine glands one by one which are found in the endocrine system. First of all, we will start with hypothalamus. Now, what is the location of hypothalamus? Hypothalamus is actually a part of brain. Okay, it is not a, you can classify it as a separate gland, but you can consider it as a part of brain, but it has functions of gland. So the hormone released by hypothalamus is releasing hormone or inhibitory hormones. What are their functions? They control the pituitary gland functions. That is, the hormones secreted by the hypothalamus control the functions of hormones secreted by pituitary glands. It means that releasing hormone will cause the release of hormones of pituitary glands, and the inhibitory hormones released from hypothalamus will control the release of hormones from will inhibit the release of hormones from pituitary gland. Okay, so basically hypothalamus is controlling the pituitary gland, and since pituitary gland is the master gland, so it is known as, hypothalamus is known as master of master gland. Okay. Now next we will discuss about pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is also known as master gland. Okay. The location, it is located just below brain. The hormone secreted by pituitary gland is growth hormone, and the function of this growth hormone is to control the growth and development of bones and muscles, and overall control the growth and development of the human body. Okay, its less secretion or hyposecretion result in dwarfism, that is very short-heighted person, and its more than normal secretion or hypersecretion result in gigantism, that is enormous increase in the height of the person. Okay, next we will discuss pancreas. Now pancreas are found just below stomach. Okay, the hormone released by pancreas is insulin, and this insulin hormone controls the blood glucose level. Suppose the blood glucose level, whenever glucose in the blood rises, this hormone is secreted from pancreas, which lowers down the glucose level in the blood. Okay, so this function as controlling hormone which control blood glucose level in the body. Next gland is adrenal gland. It is found on the top of kidneys, and the hormone released by is adrenaline hormone, which is also known as triple F hormone or fear, fight and flight hormone. Now, as the name suggests, these hormones released in the times of fear, fight or flighting situations. That is, this hormone helps to combat the emergency situations, such as regulation of this hormone, such as controlling of heartbeat, breathing rate and other emergency functions. So basically this hormone controls the body when the body is in danger or in any sort of emergency functions. Suppose if we quarrel with another person, then this hormone produces energy in our body so that we can quarrel with some other person. So this is, and same thing happens during our fear and flight also. Okay, so basically this hormone controls the body in emergency situations by regulation of heartbeat, breathing rate, etc. Okay. Now next is testes. It is located in the genital region of males. And the hormone secreted by testes is testosterone. Now what is the function of this hormone? This hormone controls development of male sex organs and male body features such as growth of mustache and beard, etc. Okay. Next is ovary. It is located in the genital region of females. Okay, and the hormone secreted by ovary is estrogen and progesterone. Now function of estrogen is to control the female sex or development of female sex organs and other female characters just like female voice, while the function of progesterone is to control the changes in the reproductive tract during pregnancy. Okay, so I hope you must have understood the functions of glands very well. See you in the next video. Till then, have a nice day and take care.